Hello, Hideous. Today I will be answering questions about my new chapter in life.
So I was actually in Finland when I got the idea to make that song. And what's funny is that we had like so many demos and concepts for the song, but I was eventually just like, okay, we can't make this into a normal pop song because it just doesn't work. So why not just make it weird and let it be? So it kind of took me a while to grasp the concept and understand what I truly want. And so recording the demo took me months because I just wasn't in the right place and I suffered from a weird block. It was a strange time, but I really did spend time in Finland, like I said. And then I actually lived in Berlin for a while. I just never told anyone because it didn't feel important. But Berlin honestly brought back the vision I once had, and that's how the final song ended up being created. So I can't tell you this yet because it symbolizes something significant, but when I'm ready, you'll know because I'll just say it. It's truly something I've never done before. Oh, I'm not sure if I'll do it again because I think when you do it once, it's special. When you do it twice, it's overdone, but I first want to know what my fans think about this sound. Oh, it's totally different. I mean, the lead single will really blow you away because it sounds nothing like Cicadas. I'm really excited for my fans to hear it. Do I say it? I mean, I should say it. It's just a cute moment and vibe. Something to honor my album Hilda because it recently had a 1-year anniversary and I really thought of this album when making Cicadas. I don't know, just something to honor my old work that I'm not really proud of. I did not forget about the movie, and in fact, it's actively being worked on. I said we might release it in February. Didn't happen. And that's okay. So the movie is currently 1 hour and 45 minutes long, and it's not even halfway to the story, I think. But I mean, we're making progress. We're aiming for a 3-hour movie. And it will release, I wish I knew when, but it eventually will.
What? Thank you. Thank you what? Thank you what? Thank you, how fucking dare you? Thank you, this is hideous. Thank you, ridiculous. Thank you, ridiculous.
My Instagram was hacked. My iPhone was hacked.
My Android was hacked. My Twitter was hacked. My Bitcoin was hacked. My laptop was hacked. My Gmail was hacked. My Yahoo was hacked. My Coinbase was hacked. My salon was hacked. My Samsung TV was hacked. My smart fridge was hacked. I want to be arrested and assaulted by a rapist until my body gives out and starts getting chronic pain. Chronic pain. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga. Lady Gaga.
Okay.